Okay, everyone, in this video I would like to share to you about how to make a stylish bookshelf in Sketchup. Okay, first of all you have to make a wall existing with a rotated rectangle on any size and the thickness as you want. Then you have to push it up around 3000 millimeter, right? Something like this. And just make it group. And just make it group anyway. And then you have to make some basic shape in this wall anyway. You can make a rectangle for the first. You can make this rectangle, something like this, and then you can make rotated guideline with a protector. You can make a rotated guideline with a protector, something like this, and then you have to rotate it around, maybe it's around 50 degree. And also for this, okay, and also for this side you have to rotate it also 50 degree. Okay, and then you have to move this both of line with both of guideline to the top. Okay, maybe it's around 200 it's around 250 millimeter. Okay, like this, and then you have to make line like this. Then so you can see the basic shape like this. Then you can delete the guiding line, and after that you have to select this plane and just move it and press Ctrl to the front, and you have to offset it inside around maybe 20 millimeter of the thickness. Just erase it. Then you have to push it to the front around 20 millimeter. Then you have to push it to the front around 360 millimeter approximately. Okay, then you have to move it, and after that you have to make it group and just make it component, just create it. And now you can set the combination and rotation with this shape anyway. Okay, you can move it by following this step. You can use a rotate, okay, something like this, and you can just arrange it by your style anyway. And then you have to move, and okay, first of all maybe you can set the wall paint for the first, so it would make more highlighted object in this bookshelf. Okay, and then you have to just click this object and press move, and you can press Ctrl, and then you can position on it, and now you can rotate it. You can rotate it again, and just something like this. Then you can move it to the back, and then you have to move and press Ctrl again, and just move again, and just select this side, and then you have to move it to the back. Then you have to rotate it, and just rotate something like this. Then you can continue with the press move and press Ctrl, and just rotate it, and just press move, and you can rotate it again, and just press move, Okay, I think it's just simple but stylish bookshelf that you can make in SketchUp, and you can explore for it by um, make another shape about a book anyway. Then you can make a rectangle, and then you can just push it, and you can duplicate it, and you can adjust it, something like this. Then you can duplicate it again, and you can adjust it. Okay, and you can duplicate it. Okay, maybe something like this. You can select any color in this area to make a more impressive look like of the bookshelf, something like this. You can adjust the bookshelf of color. You can adjust the bookshelf or something like this, so it more look like a stacked book anyway. Then you can move and press Ctrl to arrange it again. You can press Ctrl, and you can position on it, and then you can rotate it. You can rotate it and just press move. Then you can adjust again, and then you can select rotate and position it, and just press move to make it appropriate position. And again, you can move and press Ctrl it, and just rotate it again. Okay, so you can see the stylish simple bookshelf anyway. Thanks for watching. Wait for my next video.